What's up, guys? Episode 3. We're already 3 in. I'm here to grab some tires. My homie hooked me up. He helped me order some new sticky boys, so we're gonna get those mounted up, and I'm gonna get my Wilwood brakes put on this week. Stick around. Are they going to be too wide? Hopefully they tuck a little bit when we go down. It's a moment of truth. Oh my gosh, I'm so stoked. I got the tires on and they rub a little bit. So I'm heading over to some friend's house to grab a fender roller, and we're gonna try to massage the fenders as much as we can to get these 255s to fit. If they don't fit, I think I'm gonna do flares. So we'll see. Jake's also got this beautiful Laguna Seca E46 M3. His wife drives it. This thing is minty. I love this color. I'm gonna be that dude who's not actually working. I'm just watching. Think that'll be enough to clear them?
Let's be ghetto for a second and see if we can.
Fine being ghetto for a sec. I'd rather do that and then not, you know, go to drive and have the wheel rattle off.
Oh yeah, we're good. It's starting to suck on there.
Yeah?
Yeah, we just need to pull this guy off. I would use the non-homemade end first.
Okay. This is what happens when you don't have brake wrenches. Fender rolling service. All right, so this is, we've already done the driver's fender, and then this is the back. You can see where the tire was rubbing. I'm hoping as we lower it, it will tuck and it won't rub, but it probably will. So we might do flares. I don't know, we'll see. They're on all 4 corners. It took a little bit longer than we were thinking. In conclusion to the tires and brakes, I just wanted to talk about the difference. So before I was on a 235 40 17 R888 and the car would spin pretty hard. I didn't really want to go to like a drag setup because I want the car to be a street car. I don't want it to look like it's a race car or anything like that. So I ordered some Potenza RE71Rs through my buddy in the video. I got 255 40 17s, which, like, looking online, everybody says that they don't fit. And honestly, if you care about your paint and you care about your fenders, I would go a smaller size. I mean, obviously offset plays into that as well, but the 255s are a big improvement. The car hooks a lot better. I can still spin it all the way through first and second gear, but I think that it'll kind of be that way with any street tire. And then the start of third gear, it starts to hook. Also, when those tires get warm enough, if I rip on it a couple times, they will hook really good. The car felt noticeably faster on those tires. So that was a big improvement. Super stoked about that. Before I was running the 17x8 Apex arcs in the front because I couldn't fit the concave set over the RX-7 brakes. That was one reason why I went to the Wilwoods, was just so that I could run the square 17 by 8.5, 255 40 17s. The other was that the RX-7 brakes were good, but honestly, with how quick that car is, it just was kind of scary. I never felt like the way that it would brake matched how much power it made.